Hey, this is Dan. Welcome back to Mastering Collectify. This time we're going to talk about Airdrop. Airdrop can be found down in the post minting tool, and it allows you to provide a place for allow listed persons to claim tokens that you hold. Now, these tokens can be ones that you've created yourself, for example, using our ERC20 tool, or it could be any token that you have stored in your wallet. Going to this token that I've created here, using the ERC20 tool, you can see that the entire balance has been claimed. Every token is currently held in my wallet. Now, I want to start distributing this, but I want to do it through a series of airdrops. This is where the airdrop tool comes in. Note that this would also apply if I was wanting to airdrop some other token. Let's say, for example, I have a large amount of degen. I could use that. All I'm going to need to do is create an airdrop event and determine these factors. It's as simple as this, really. I'm going to call it Coolie Drop. That's the name of the token. I need to take the contract address. I need to define the amount of the airdrop. The total supply of my token is 8 million. I'm going to say that this airdrop is I've decided to say that this airdrop is going to be 8,000 tokens. Once I define the start date and the end date, if applicable, I can go ahead and just simply create the event. I'm going to give it an image and drop in a description. Here's where I'd put the relevant links. Notably, you can link securely to a DEX. On Base, you could use Uniswap, for example, to make sure that people are always going to a secure and legitimate location to do any trading. Of course, you will need to set up things like trading pairs and LP pools. There are plenty of guides on that material. All that filled in, we're ready to confirm. And the airdrop contract is deployed. Here we can see our drop. I'm just going to go ahead and choose a theme. Custom color, keeping it in line with the branding. This is where we add the whitelist. The key thing to bear in mind here, the contract address for the airdrop is where you need to send any tokens that you want to be claimed from the airdrop. In the case of the token that I've created here, I have all of this in one of my wallets. I will need to send an amount to this contract address equal to the amount that I want the total claim to be. Now, I can add addresses and I can define how many each person can claim. Adding one address, adding 800 tokens. Now I have to synchronize the contract to update everything that I've changed here. Remember, there will be a gas fee for everything. I'm building on Base, so it's extremely cheap and it's submitted. I just have to wait for that to go. I can do this to check that everything's in order. So here we are, we're on the airdrop. I've logged in with the relevant wallet. You can see that I'm eligible because my address is on the list and I'm able to claim. Now you see this error, that's because I didn't actually send the tokens to the token claim contract. To do this, I need to simply take the contract address for the airdrop event, go into the wallet that has all of the tokens, and then, of course, send them to this contract address. Okay, I said the max supply for the event would be 8,000, so this is what I would send. Once I do this, the claim contract fills up, and then I can claim the tokens. Now, I want to save these tokens for a later project, so I'm going to leave it right there. I hope that's easy to follow, easy to understand, and that you can have some fun with airdrops. Again, like I said, as long as you have tokens to put into a contract address, you can actually do this with any token, even ones that you haven't made yourself. Hope you can put this to some good use, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.